Here I have VIVAX Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, you just have to go to the upper bar, and here you have the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions for this mode. For example, it could be calls from anyone, from contacts only, from stared contacts, or from nobody. Here you can stare contacts. There's also an option allow repeat callers if the same person calls a second time within 15-minute period. Allow it. The same goes to messages. You can add exceptions for messages from anyone, from contacts only, from stared contacts, or just disable all the messages. In the all exceptions, you can also add alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, and events to the exceptions. You can restrict notifications. For example, you can restrict only sound notification. You can restrict and sound and visual notification. In it custom, you can customize it all to yourself, what you want to restrict, what you don't want. You can set up your default duration for this mode, and you can set up a schedule for it here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.